PFSA stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday is Profusa stock a buy. I'll be breaking all that down in this very brief and short 1 minute video. Now, as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, all documented, of seeing what's working for me and what's not, and with PFSA, I mean, all that to say is it's just freaking bearish market. Like, I'm not even trying to be that bad guy or anything. It's just the truth. I mean, I know it pumped up out of nowhere here. I was not here milking it up. That was a great squeeze. And then here is where we are now. It's a bearish market, and it's just that the likelihood is to keep melting is high. Actually, like, when this sorts of environments is so risky, man, like, I would much rather stick to my edge and rules that I've refined over 44,000 videos over 5 years that I know shown me what's data showing that it works and making me money, but instead of just, you know, trying to force no trades here. So I'll keep you updated for sure, but if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. So goodbye and enjoy.